we've got Matthais Marquardt coming in with Filescout.
Hello, guys. You have to excuse me a little bit. I'm from Germany, and I'm 9 hours backwards, so it's a little bit late night. I want to show you my little application, Filescout, I developed simply because I missed a certain application like that on the BlackBerry when I got it at the beginning of the year. I'm in the computer business for 25 years now, and at the beginning there were applications like Norton Commander. I'm not sure if everybody can remember applications like that, but a simple tool which allows you to copy files, to create archives, to manipulate images, and all that in a single, simple app to operate with your files. And I just want to show you the application right now. It starts simply showing you the normal folders which are available. We are on my SD card, and we go to the documents which are located there. I see PDFs, I see documents, and I see some XML files. Of course, I'm a little techie guy, so I'm working basically with inis and logs and source code and things like that. And I just can click on the files instantly. They open with the viewer, which is registered to it. For example, here's doc2go with a Word document, or just some other Word document which is opening. And so it's simply opening the applications which are registered for the files, and you just handle them. You can get, for a file, you just can get file details for the file, see how large it is. You can change attributes for it. You say in this file it's a hidden file, so it's hidden normally then. You can go for a folder and say information. You see how much files in there. It's quite valuable when you want to find which directory on your system is eating up a lot of disk space. And so you just can say, OK, how much my documents are currently need. And I see, oh, 50 megabytes, I might need to delete some stuff. When I want to delete some stuff, for example, here it's a folder with over 1,000 files. It opens it very quick. I can say I want to change the sort order function. Now I sort it by size, can sort it by date, I can sort it by file type. And of course, I can be able to invert the file order. And I'm doing that all right now with just some easy shortcuts, which are quick to pick up. Filescout comes also with a functionality of favorite list that are the folders. You just can register simply to add them to your favorites. Just, for example, here are the images folder of the system, the samples. Some of the samples I might not like. I can simply mark them with space and just say, OK, goodbye for these images for the moment. Something else you can do is you can open a file navigation browser, which gives you the structure of the file system. And you just can go over, let's see, to another picture folder, which I just had made on a walk yesterday. So basically, you manipulate the files. You can jump through the folders very quick. We can mark folders, mark files. We can put them on the virtual clipboard. I press C to copy them. I go to, oh, sorry. I copy them. I create a new directory. Just misspelled. Sorry, I'm nervous. So now I paste the files simply from the clipboard into the destination folder, and they are there. And I can do that with many files as I want at any time. What I also can do with Filescout is I can go to a file, and I can choose that I want to send it. Simply, I have the choice, when it's a single file, to send it by email or via Bluetooth. But I also can mark multiple files and just choose from the menu, email my selection, and then a small screen comes up, and now I can just type into the email address and just open the normal functionality to send it. And you see there are already the attachments in there above that, and so we discard this. Another functionality of Filescout is, of course, that you are able to select again some files, and you just create an archive of them, because typically when you're emailing files, it makes a lot of sense to zip them first before you send them. Reverse is also possible, of course, when you are on an archive, you just open it and you ask to...
Oh, and that's you getting caught right there.
Oh, I'm caught, I'm
excited.
caught.
No, all done.
All done. I'm sorry.
All right, Tyler?
You know, I mean, it's a great app. I think, you know, I'm really interested to see where you see it going, you know, really with some future versions and where you think you could really take it.
Right now, I've just implemented a few more features concerning thumbnail generation, pre-processing, and that you have in the search function, which I obviously totally missed right now, that it displays already the thumbnails for the images, detailed information for images, that you see the size, and things like that. It's typically an application, or I wrote the application, as you might notice. I'm an independent developer. I just wrote it because I need it. And I put it just on crackberry.com in the forum, and I was totally surprised about the high demand and about the downloads. I need a new web server to put the files on and all the things. I'm totally overwhelmed, and it's a very pleasure to be here and selected as one of the finalists on this.
Kevin Mitchelluk making another developer a business.
Yeah, no.
Have you thought about maybe using this to help sync up to your files on your PC wirelessly? And I guess I'm struggling to figure out how valuable this would be to the average user. Actually,
it's for the synchronization. It's just dealing with the local file system on the device. And
I'm talking about futures.
Futures, it's whatever. Typically, all the features which you find in Filescout comes from the community, comes from information or from requests from users. So when there is a demand for making something with Wi-Fi, synchronizing files, something like that, I'm looking into that if I can implement it. And then I'll do it, and then I'll release it.
Awesome. Thank you, Matthais.